Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Links in PowerPoint let the viewer or presenter click hyperlinks in a presentation to open web pages or send email, navigate to slides, or open external files. To automatically create a hyperlink as you type in PowerPoint, type a web address URL or email address into a text-containing object in a slide, and then press the spacebar or Enter key on your keyboard. To immediately remove an automatically created hyperlink, press the backspace key once immediately after pressing the spacebar or Enter key. Alternatively, to add a link in PowerPoint to a slide object or text within a text-containing slide object, select the slide object or text within a text-containing slide object to which to attach the link. Then click the Link button in the Links button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon to open the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Alternatively, right-click the selection. Then select the Link command in the pop-up menu that appears to open the same Insert Hyperlink dialog box. For text links, the selected text appears in the Text to Display field. For linked objects, this field shows Selection in Document instead. To create a screen tip for your hyperlink that appears when a user hovers over the hyperlink, click the Screen Tip button. Then enter the text to show in the field. Then click the OK button to save the screen tip and return to the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. To insert a hyperlink to an existing file or web page, select the Existing File or Web Page option in the Link To list at the left side of the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. To link to a web page, type its URL into the Address field. Alternatively, you can select a file or page to which to link by searching for it using either the Look-in drop-down or the Current Folder, Browsed Pages, or Recent Files buttons. After finding the file to which to link, then click it to select it. After creating the hyperlink, then click the OK button to insert the hyperlink into your document. Alternatively, to insert a hyperlink to a presentation slide, select the Place in this document option from the Link To list. Then choose the slide to which to link from the Select a Place in this document list. Then click the OK button to insert a hyperlink to the selected slide. Alternatively, to create a hyperlink that opens a blank email message to an email address you enter, choose the Email Address option in the Link To list. Then enter the email address of the email recipient into the Labeled field. This is the email address to which the message is sent. Any recently used email addresses appear in the Recently Used Email Addresses field. You can click an email address in this list to use it. You can enter an email subject into the Subject field if desired. Note that some email programs or web browsers might not recognize the subject line. Then click the OK button to insert the hyperlink. Alternatively, to quickly insert a hyperlink in PowerPoint from Microsoft 365 to an online Microsoft 365 document, select the slide object or text within a text-containing slide object to which to attach the link. Then click the drop-down part of the Link button in the Links button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Then click the name of the online Office 365 document to share from the list of recent items in the button's drop-down menu.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.